Hello Mario! In this video we're going to start forming up a few sections and things now. We've got the general road layout and now we're going to try and fit our sections around it and start with that. So here we go. Like so there, and let's get a few things in place. So there it is. Now one of the things I'm going to just do is turn on, I think, a couple of layers. I'm going to turn on, in particular, I'll need to turn on my road geometry layer here because I'm going to need that for calculating around here, and I'm also just going to turn on my curved boundary layer, which comes out as magenta. Alright, so the layer that I'm going to be working in here is going to be the boundary layer, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to start by putting a few sections in around here. Alright, so first off, my section module was essentially 20 by 30. So I'm going to just do an offset here, and I'm going to use 30 meters, 30, enter, and put that in there like so. So that's going to come around through there like that. I'll probably just extend that, so that's an LEN and I'm going to get out of the offset command first, then do the LEN like so, and then the DY dynamic, and just put that in there through there like that. All good. I might also, just while I'm there, offset enter 30 and just work off this one here as well, that there, and probably I'm just going to get out of that command. I can just do a right click here and do the recent input and go with a lengthen. It's wanting me to go to D dynamic, so I'll just pull that through there, pull that one through there. That's where they meet. Now what I'm going to do is just offset my curved boundary here. Just want to see what would happen there. So offset enter 30, just how I want to adjust things there. So that's quite a considerable area back in through there. So what I might do is I'm just trying to adjust my boundaries a little bit here. Now that's the existing one, so what I would do there, I think what I'll do is draw just at this stage here, just draw a line through here, through that one there, which is through that one actually. I just want to do a line from there through to here, like so, and just possibly just to get this back boundary here, cut that out there. I'm going to draw a line possibly from there. No, I'll draw a line from here. Let's go alpha line, just in through to there into it. Is that it? There's my right angle. Yep. And I'm just going to grab this here, which will be in there like that. Pick that up there and move it so that it just clicks on there, the midpoint, and then I'm just going to do LEN for the lengthen and DY for the dynamic, and I'm just going to clip that through there like that, and clip that through there like that. So that will sort of give me the boundary of the back of my module there, a little bit of extra lines. I could do one more of those if I wanted to reduce it down. There's many ways I'm going to do that. So at this stage now I'm just going to do a trim and a double hit. So there's a trim and a double hit. I'll get rid of that. I can just get rid of all of those, really, get rid of that like so, and that there is going to pretty much give me my back boundary. Just going to escape out of there get into a position there where I can delete that, and just leave that there like that for now. So that's going to be the back boundary of my module through there. I try to keep the geometry consistent with the curves and things like that. Now, in here, I need to do an offset, and I want to do a 20 meter, okay, in here, and that will just give me in there like that, okay. And I'm going to, I'll just at this stage, I think it's probably easier if I just do a trim, and I'm going to actually just trim in between those two lines there, like so, and then just cut out that bit, cut out that bit, that one there, and there's my little boundary. So there it is, I've got lot 1. Okay, so now I'm going to just do an offset further, offset, and the offset distance is going to be 20, and there like that, there like that. Okay, and I'm possibly just going to put that one in there for now. That's not going to quite fit, and I'm just going to leave that there. So these 3 here are just there. Now what I'm going to do for this one here is I'm going to take a line enter, I'm going to take a line from there, and I'm going to pull it through. If I pull it through, I think I'll just pull it through that point, through that point there. So that'll give me just like that there, okay. And then I'm going to delete that point out of there, delete that from there, okay. And then I'm going to do a len, lengthen, and a dy, or no, I could do it easily, more easily, by just doing an extend, ex, for extend. I just want to extend through to there, from that one there, spacebar to finish that selection, put that line in through there, and that just keeps the boundary line consistent with the circle there, okay. I'm just going to do a trim here, tr, enter, and I just want to trim to the line, and I'll finish my selection, just trim that out of there. Oops, not working quite so good. TR, enter. Perhaps we need to zoom in a bit here. Yes, trim to that line there. Finish my selection and hit that sort of going to come out. So that's going to create that lot in there. I think I might just turn off my curved boundaries there. I think that's just confusing the issue. I thought it might be helpful, but perhaps not. Okay, like so, there, like that. Now, this lot in here, its size, I just want to check out its size. Now, the way that we can do that is there's a command called boundary, 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 like that there. Put that in there, and we just pick a point in the middle of the lot that we want, there like that, and that creates a polyline there, and just enter. And then if I select that polyline, over in my properties, if I select the polyline here, over in my properties, I can see that that's a 646 meters. Now I'm going for 600, and there's a little extra 50 in there, and I know that this, if I'll just take that polyline out for now, just delete that there. This line here is approximately 30.827, and we had 646 there, so that's 46 extra. So what I'm going to do here is just do a quick calculation on my calculator, and we've got here, I've got 46 meters, 46 square meters, and if I want to divide that by 30.827, 30.827 divide, that's 1.49. So I think what I'll do here is I'll just go C into here. I'm just going to draw a little circle in here, C enter, and I'm just going to draw that little circle there, and I'm going to make that 1.49. Okay, now what I want to do is I'm going to delete that boundary line there, delete, and what I'll do is draw a line in here, okay, and so on like that there, and draw a line in there through that point there, okay, and then I'll do extend that, so I'll just do an extend that through to that line there, okay, and just extend that there, okay, right, so that should give that lot around about 600 square meters. Delete that, and I'm just going to do a trim in here, trim to that there, and trim that out. Okay, and then we'll just come into here and do a boundary. So boundary, B-O-U-N-D-A-R-Y, boundary, okay, pick a point, which is that one there, enter, and I'll just check that there, and that's giving me an area, for the polyline of 595. Well, that's all right. 595 is around about 600, so that's not too bad. Perhaps the 1.49 was a little bit too much, so probably needed to go to 1.4, yeah, rather than 1.49. So I could adjust that out, but I'm going to leave that at that. This is just a scheme plan at this stage, so we could call that 600 square meters. Let's just delete the polyline at this point. Delete polyline, delete, and just a quick check on the boundary. So if I do right click, recent input is the boundary. I should be able to check pick points with these ones here, enter, and then if we pick that polyline there, we should get that that's a 600 square meters. So I'll just get rid of the polyline there at this stage, delete. Okay, so that's given me 4 lots of about 600 square meters, and I'll try and keep using the circle geometry through these. So in the next video I'll do some more of the ones along here and develop that a bit further along there before I go and do some other little bits and pieces of radical sort of work in that area, and see how we go. So yep, all good. Cheers, see you.